Hello children! So today we are going to learn about transportation. So buckle up and get ready to learn about the cool ways we move around. So are you excited? Okay, let's get started. So let's start with the car. It goes vroom vroom as it speeds along the road. So children, can you make the car sound too? Amazing! Okay children, so the next one is bus. It makes a friendly beep beep sound. Do you want to give it a try? Wonderful! Next one is bicycle. It makes a ding ding sound. So can you give it a spin and ring the bell? Very good. Next one is train. It makes a coo chuk chuk sound. Let's all say it together. Superb! Next one is airplane. It makes the whoosh sound. Imagine you are flying and make the sound. Brilliant! So the next one is ship. It makes the sound swish swish. So pretend you are sailing and make the sound. Fantastic! So the next and last for today's class is rocket. 3, 2, 1. Rockets make a booming blast of sound when they launch. So that's all for today.